Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you are diving into the world of AI generated art, then you've probably heard about the big names Stable Diffusion and Dall E3. But the big question is, which one is truly better for creating mind-blowing images? Let's begin. Stable Diffusion AI is an open source, deep learning based image generation model designed to create high quality images from textual descriptions, similar to other models like Midjourney or Dall A3, which we are going to cover in later. Now, it uses a process known as diffusion to improve random noise to a detailed image based on the text prompts provided by the user. All you have to do is click on this button right here to create your account. Once you have successfully created your account here on Stable Diffusion AI, you would notice that one of the key features is going to be the text to image generation. You click on this create button here, and you would be asked on the textual descriptions so that they convert it into a highly detailed and varied images. Users here can input a prompt and the model generates an image that matches their description. So let me type something here. For example, a fish that flies. You can type in and you can choose the aspect ratio. For example, is it going to be a portrait, landscape, or you have the option to. Let's go for the portrait for now. You can use the styles from here like Asian photography, fantasy, Hollywood pumpkin, cyberpunk. Let's use the cyberpunk for now. If you do that, if you click the generate button, you would notice that there's going to be results here, which unlike some other AI image generators, Stable Diffusion is open source, meaning anyone can access, modify, or build the model. Developers can fine-tune it for specific use cases or create a personalized versions. You would notice that you can download this image if you want, direct download, or you might want to contribute to buy the editor or developer a coffee by clicking this like a donation. All right. The remix will give you an option to type another thing here. For example, fish that flies, but the thing now is we're gonna use maybe a cyber realistic option so we can see the difference. All right, now you see users can now allow to edit the images by providing modifying certain sections. All right, click the generate button. The same thing. How about the this one, animation? Let's see what we got. So it's same thing. What about we try to or Vikings, right? This time we're going to use the animation. Let's try to see what we got from here. You see that users can fine-tune Stable Diffusion using custom datasets, allowing them to generate images tailored to specific industries, artistic style, like this one, or themes. All right. You can use for the landscape and try to generate again. Since Stable Diffusion is open source, it has a large community of developers, artists, and users who contribute models, tutorials, and extensions expanding the tool's capabilities. All right, you can monetize art if you wanted here. All right, you have the free tools right here if you want, and the SD 3.5 large if you wanted, plus the playground wherein obviously you can create again the image generator if you want it. All right, now let's head over to our next contender, which is Dall A3, which is going to be the latest version of the OpenAI's image generation model that can create images from textual descriptions. It's a powerful tool for generating high quality, creative, and often surreal images based on the prompts provided by the user. All right, now here you can simply click the create image. We're gonna try to use this for now. One of the key features of Dall E3 is the users input detailed text prompts. All right, they basically they can't create an image. All right, for example, let's create an image. maybe like this. Now, this model excels in creating visuals. Let me try to do it again. For example, from a website, let's try to see what we got here. Create image, for example, of my pet. Maybe at this time, right here. Okay, so for example, let's try this default for now. It takes a little while, really, but depending on the complexity of the image, you would have these amazing results, right? We have been using Dall E3 and Stable Diffusion for quite some time. And again, we feel like these are the platforms that includes safety measures to prevent misuse, such as generating harmful or explicit content. All right. Let's say let's create again. Create a Star Wars image. Now the complexity of the image will depend on the loading times. You see that? It can't, right? Because if it may decline to create an image if the prompt violates any ethical guidelines or copyright issues. Let's say create a basketball player, for example, that. Now, one of the good things about Dall A3 is that it is already integrated into the Chat GPT for pro users, allowing users to create images within the conversations and refine them accordingly. All right, see that? It is designed to empower creativity, whether for artistic projects, storytelling, design, or other innovative users. If you click this view tools, if you wanted to click this option, if you wanted to have a multiple versions of the same pictures but not manual typing so that it can save you time, you can use that option. All right. Now, as you can see while it's loading, I highly believe that you choose Dall E3 if you prioritize ease of use, prompt precision, and polished outputs, because Dall E3 is more suitable because it's already integrated with the OpenAI. All right. Now, on the other hand, you choose Stable Diffusion if you are a professional or hobbyist who values customizations. Of course, this is going to be the better choice for you. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.